Today on CJ Off-Road, we're down here in Daytona Beach, Florida. We figured what a better place to do a live install video than down right here on the ocean. We're gonna install a set of taillights onto our 2015 JK Rubicon. Show you guys how they look. So if you guys are in the market for a brand new taillight for your JK Wrangler, the PUTCO Luminix LED taillight is the perfect fit for you. Now these were released last year around SEMA time, and we finally got our hands on one, and I can tell you that this is a truly quality taillight, and it's gonna look great on the back end of your JK Wrangler. Today we're working on a black Jeep, so this is really gonna look nice with that. Plus the reverse lights go all the way down the side here, meaning that these things are gonna be crazy bright. They're sequential and they have the reflectors, plus they're DOT approved, so they're gonna look great on the back end of your Jeep. With that being said, we're down here on the beach with limited tools. We're gonna get it installed and show you guys how to get it done. So the first thing that you need to do is grab yourself a Phillips head screwdriver. This is a pretty common thing. You can pick these up just about anywhere. Luckily we had one in our tool bag. And you've got to remove these two inner screws. This is gonna be on either side. Just pull each of these inner screws out and the taillight will pop off, and then we'll disconnect the wiring. Now make sure you keep these screws. You're gonna be reusing them with the new taillights when you put them on. Then we're gonna pull the taillight off. With the taillight off, we're now gonna disconnect the factory taillight wiring by depressing right down here and then just pulling it straight out. That's it. The only thing different about the back of these taillights compared to normal, you have this standard plug, you have a resistor, but you also have to link them with this wire. Now what you're gonna do is poke it through the foam underneath, run it over to the other side, and then just plug it right in. Super simple to do, but we're gonna get this clipped in, plugged in, show you guys how it looks. We'll get this plugged in the same way we pulled it off, just by clipping that right into place. You'll hear that little click, that way you know it's secure. So the last thing we need to do, just go ahead and set this right up into place where we pull off that factory taillight. It'll tug nicely on that side with these screw holes lined up, and reinstall the factory screws on the top and the bottom. Now we're going to repeat that exact same process on the other side. Plug in that secondary wire, and that'll complete your install. Well, that's a wrap on this Daytona Beach live install, the PUTCO Luminix taillights. They look great on the back of this 2015 Hard Rock Rubicon. They really brighten it up. The reverse lights are pretty crazy bright. Now, if you want to find these taillights as well as many other LED options for your JK or your brand new JL Wrangler, be sure to go to cjponyparts.com.